My name is Alek Diffendaffer. I am a graduate of Hastings College 2012. Currently I live in Hoover, Alabama, and I am a sports biomechanist and I work at the American Sports Medicine Institute. What I do on a day-to-day basis is I utilize 3D motion capture and analyze athletes for performance, for injury, and utilize that information to provide them feedback and also to work with other orthopedic doctors to say one surgery works and their mechanics or their injury prevention is kind of what I do on a day-to-day basis. It is very specific. Hastings, again, with the exercise science degree, it got me a base of that. It got kind of the general things of chemistries and biologies, and then we got into the human anatomy and physiology, and then I also took biomechanics. And that, again, got me rooted into kind of going into what I was further going to dive into with my master's program. Because of the size of Hastings, you get a lot of one-on-one attention as compared to going to a larger university, so you'll be able to ask questions and get direct responses back, which was a very good tool and a good thing to have here at Hastings, that we were able to seek our professors out and speak with them one-on-one versus having to go through an email or something like that. Enjoy your time during your undergrad, but if you're wanting to go on to get a master's or even go on and get a PhD, I'd recommend starting early and getting with your advisor here at Hastings and talking with them about what courses you may want to be taking to, again, get you further along the line when you get into your master's program, so it's not you're starting over, it's actually you're just continuing on.